Every girl wants to look fresh and glowing. Today, I'm sharing some simple beauty maintenance tips that you can easily follow at home. Taking care of yourself doesn't always mean expensive products or salon visits. With just a few simple habits, you can glow every single day. Let's talk about some easy beauty maintenance tips you can follow at home. Start by gently shaving your face with a facial razor. It helps remove tiny facial hair, also known as peach fuzz, and makes your skin look much smoother. The best part is, it allows your skincare products to absorb better and your makeup sits perfectly on the skin. Always remember to shave on clean skin and use light strokes for the best results. After shaving, your skin is ready for a nourishing face mask. Try applying a mask made with turmeric, gram flour, and yogurt once or twice a week. This natural combination brightens your skin, reduces dark spots, and tightens the pores. It's gentle on your skin and leaves a fresh, glowing look without any harsh chemicals. Simply mix the ingredients into a smooth paste, apply evenly on your face, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Next, it's important to keep your hair clean and healthy. Use a mild shampoo suitable for your hair type. Mild shampoos gently cleanse your scalp and hair without stripping away natural oils, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and manageable. Depending on your hair type, wash 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. After washing, give your scalp some extra love with a scalp massager. Gently massaging your scalp helps improve blood circulation, which promotes stronger, healthier hair growth. This step not only feels relaxing but also enhances the effects of your shampoo, making your hair look and feel even better. To deeply nourish your hair, apply a natural hair mask once a week. Aloe vera works wonderfully as a hair mask. It soothes the scalp, adds shine, and makes your hair soft and manageable. Simply apply fresh aloe vera gel from root to tip, leave it for about 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Once your hair is clean and slightly damp, lock in the moisture with a light hair serum. A serum helps control frizz, adds smoothness, and protects your hair from heat and pollution. Just a few drops are enough to make your hair look polished and healthy. To maintain smooth and clean skin, follow a regular body shaving routine. Shaving not only removes unwanted hair but also gives your skin a soft and polished look. Always use a fresh razor and a good shaving gel or cream to avoid irritation. Shave in the direction of hair growth for a smoother finish. After shaving, treat your skin with a refreshing body wash. Using a mild body wash once or twice a week helps exfoliate dead skin cells and leaves your body feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Choose a gentle formula that keeps your skin hydrated while cleansing. For a clean and fresh-looking face, don't forget to use nose strips once in a while. They are an easy way to remove blackheads and unclog pores, especially around the nose area where dirt and oil tend to build up. This quick step instantly makes your skin look smoother and more refined. After taking care of your skin, it's equally important to focus on your body. Always apply a body moisturizer after showering or shaving. A good moisturizer locks in hydration, prevents dryness, and keeps your skin soft and supple throughout the day. Choose one that suits your skin type, and make this step a part of your daily routine. To stay fresh and confident all day, make sure to use a roll-on for your underarms. It helps control sweat, prevents odor, and keeps you feeling comfortable throughout the day. Choose a gentle roll-on that is kind to your skin and matches your lifestyle needs. Moving on to your night routine, always cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. This step removes dirt, oil, and makeup that build up during the day. A good cleanser keeps your skin clear, prevents breakouts, and prepares your face for the next steps in your skincare routine. And finally, the most important step of all, sunscreen. Whether you're staying indoors or stepping outside, sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays, prevents early signs of aging, and keeps your complexion even and healthy. Never skip this step, no matter the weather. By adding these simple habits into your routine, you can feel fresh, confident, and glowing every single day. Remember, consistency is the key to lasting results. Which of these tips will you try first?